Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Hug Sport, and yes people, it is time for the giveaway again. I told you we have more watch faces coming. We're going to give watch face codes away for the ACD watch faces and X9 Studio. But before we get started, Jackie, Scott, Angel, Josh, I got you. We've been trying to let this foot heal. We will be getting out of here either today or tomorrow. But by the end of business day Friday, your packages will be in the mail. Again, thank you for your patience and your understanding. All right, so let's get you in. Let's get you out. We got to thank the developers in the door for the donation of all the watch faces that are being given away today. Now, ACD is giving watch face codes away to the normal countries that I asked for, which is going to be India, Canada, the UK, also Denmark, and the US, okay? But for X9 Studio, we're giving away, well, he's giving away 4 watch face codes for the US. Cool? So let's go ahead. Let's start off with ACD. Now, ACD lit this watch face up. This one is called ACD Prestige Rose Gold, and the other one was called Prestige Golden. My man did an excellent job on those watch faces. I love them. A lot of you all did too. So with that, let's go ahead. Let's call out the names of the winners. Now, we got Big Bill. Big Bill, yes, you were number one, my man. I got you. I got you. I got you. We got Vincent. We got OZ Bell. We got Karen. Adrian, you're a winner once again. And Usman, we got you. Congratulations to all the winners. And for the UK, Canada, Denmark, India, I got you all. You're the same winners over and over again. Yes, so that means that you all win double. All right. And let's talk about X9 Studio for the UK. Well, not the UK, for the US. And that's going to be, the number one winner is going to be Kryptonia, Usman, Jackie, and also Adrian. Congratulations, you all, on the win. Continue to comment in the comment section down below. I read them. I love the comments. I love the honesty. And definitely, people, I love the love. All right, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out because it helps the channel. And subscribe. If you're watching this for the very first time and you're looking at this video and you're thinking about subscribing, you want to see more watch faces, more product reviews, more tech reviews, then go ahead, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And again, people, as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.